Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
I came to buy some items, the safe box and maybe the smart lock and some cameras.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. Can you have your seat? I'll attend to it shortly.
No problem.
Hello. Hello, sir. Okay, I'm coming up. Just give me a few. Give me a second.
Oh no, see five cameras. No, I don't cash out too.
So sorry for the delay.
No problem.
Excuse me, sir. I left more than this item here. I don't understand. Did you by any chance pick any item in this?
No, I did not pick any item. I just came.
Oh, that's strange. That has never happened here before, please. I don't understand what's going on here. I have to call someone.
I don't understand that. Why would you be accusing me of taking?
I'm not accusing you. I just want a clarification of what
This is what I'm
happening
saying.
here. No, you have to wait, sir. You have to wait a little bit. I need to call someone.
No, I have to be going.
Sorry, sir. You can't go. You have to wait, please. Hello. Please, can you come downstairs? There's an urgent thing to attend to. Yes. Okay. Actually, what happened is I went upstairs not quite long. I left some items here, and by the time I got back, I couldn't find it. But there's someone here.
Let's check.
I said it. Can you please come?
Come and see it yourself, so I will not say you are accusing me.
What is the problem now? What is it?
Who is this? Who is cracking this thing?
I'm sorry, sir. Please don't kill me, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
You will pay for this. Reason why you should have a camera in your home. Who is watching when you're away? Don't tell me you left your home without a camera. Monitor your home, your office, your store, your shop, anywhere, anytime. Cameras serve as eyes when you're away. Our CCTV camera sees what you can't. See more, worry less, because your safety is our priority. And this is our 5MP cameras. It has a very clear vision at night, motion detector, and two-way communication. Contact us at basecafrica.com to get yours. Thank you.